What's going on, everybody? It is Sweet Crypto here. So for the last 3 videos, I've been posting about Splash Network. I'll go over that again today in this video, so we'll take a look again at Splash Network, show a couple exciting things going on there, and our airdrop happening tomorrow. But we're going to also take a look at Drip, the Animal Farm, and Titano, so a bunch of stuff to go over in today's video. I'm going to do some analysis on Drip, the Drip price, strategies, what's basically going on in the market, and it's going to be a fun video today. So let's get started on Drip and Drip price. So I'm going to pull up Drip on this account here. As you can see here, we have 62 Drip deposits in here, about worth $3,300 in Drip. I do a Drip airdrop every Saturday. There's one person in my team member, so once it gets to 2, I'll do another airdrop this Saturday, or next Saturday, which would be probably a Drip worth or whatever. So if you can, if you want to join my team, you can. But anyway, so Drip, let's take a look at the Drip price, okay? Because the Drip price, it's falling at $54. It's not extremely dumped yet, which, if you don't know, my opinion on Drip, I want it to dump to about $10. Yes, I do have 62 Drip in here, and I did put 6 grand in here, which I'm almost down half. But I'd prefer to go to $10, and the reason is because once it's at $10, I'll just load back up. I'll put maybe a grand or two back in. So what am I doing then? Well, a lot of people will not like what I'm doing. A lot of people will not like this, but I'm gonna say it on video because I'm gonna be fully transparent with all my viewers, because true content is one of the key importance to me, to have true content and to be true to you guys. So I'll tell you what I'm doing right now, and I'll do it on video. So if you've been watching my videos for the past couple of days, you may see that this Drip deposits hasn't gone up in a couple of days. And that's because I'm taking my rewards and selling it. But I'm not selling it to put it in my bank account or whatnot, because I don't care about that. I'm all in reinvesting, and I'm not doing that. What I'm doing is I think the price of Drip will keep on dropping, and I want it to drop. Because of that, I'm going to be taking my Drip rewards every day, selling it into BUSD. As you can see, I have $125 here. I've been doing this. 12% slippage rate. It's better than selling on the site. You get a percent less. So that's just a note to self, or tip for any of you watching. But I'm selling it for BUSD. BUSD is the stable coin. That gets stored in BUSD. And that BUSD I will use to buy Drip back up at $10 to $15. I think it's the best strategy for me, for at least what I'm doing. If you're all about compounding, go ahead, compound. But the reason I'm doing that is because I think it would drop to $10 to $15, even to $20. So if I sell now, right? Let's say in 2 weeks, let's just say 14 days, it can go down to $10, right? In 14 days, if I'm making 0.62 Drip a day, in 2 weeks I will make 8.68 Drip. Say plus a Drip just off compounding. Say 10 Drip. Let's just say 10 Drip. Okay, let's just say 10 Drip in total, right? Now if I sell and if it goes down to, let's just say $20, okay, 3 times less, $20. So if I sell every day for 2 weeks, I will get a total amount of 8.6 Drip times, let's just take a price, an average price, $10 to $50, or so we're doing 20. Let's just take it a price of, so let's pretend it's at $60 right now. It's at 55, but let's just say 60, and the lowest is at $20, and that's where I'm buying. So we'll take an average of about $40. So let's just say I take the average of selling at $40. That's $344 I'm going to sell off. I can go into $344, put in at $20. I can get 17.2 Drip. So I'll be getting 7.2 more Drip, selling off my rewards, holding it, and then buying back in at $20, for example. So that's what I'm doing right now. A short little explanation on that. Again, because I want to buy when the price is lower, because I think Drip price will dip. After the dip, I think it will shoot up, and that's the whole point. So it's at $54. We did reach a high today at, I believe we were at $57, the high today. I don't like this chart, so let's go into trading view. Okay, never mind. Let's not go into trading view. But yeah, I mean, yeah, yeah. Let's just. I hope it keeps on going down, and I know people don't want to, don't want that to happen, but I just want it to happen so we can buy back in, even if I'm down $5 grand, whatever. It's better when I buy it in at 20, it goes back up to 100. I make more, and everybody makes more if they do that. So that's what I'm doing with drip right now. Let's talk about the animal farm. Let's talk about the animal farm on this account real quick. So the animal farm on this account at 565 plants. Yeah, this account has been really booming. It's been booming, guys. It's been doing very well. The last video I think I made on the animal farm, this was at 500 plants. So as you can tell, just off of compounding, I put no new money in this. Just off of compounding, we're gonna be at 568 plants with that transaction. 568 plants now. So that's doing really well. Piggy bank, forex chart. Should be a couple more days till all this opens up. I haven't really made it a big deal on my channel, just because I don't really want to get in and all that stuff, and there's a lot of controversy going around it, and I prefer to just stay low on it. And what I'm gonna say is basically Forex Shark is fixing all this in 10 days. So 10 days was his time frame to fix all this with the pools, pig pen, all this stuff, except for Drip Garden, because there was bots getting into this early and making a ton of money. So he's making a V2 version of that. So yeah, but it's really nothing to worry about. In a couple days, everything will be locked back down. So that's good on the animal farm. We'll jump into the animal farm on this account. We'll go to Drip Garden here, and as you can see here, I have 189 plants, 2 plants to compound. I did put in about I would say $80 into here for 45 plants. I don't really know why I did it. I kind of wanted to get up to 200 plants. I mean, it was a good time to buy, I guess. I should have probably waited though. I don't know. I just felt like I needed to do it, so I did it. Now let's take a look at our piggy bank really quick on this account. Yeah, we can sell here, but as it's locked, so we gotta wait on here. So is the pools. But this is still earning pigs, which is kind of cool. So, but if we go into Titano and then we'll go into Splash. I'm leaving Splash for the end. The best for the end. Splash is my favorite right now. Besides Titano, I love Titano too. Obviously, $3,200 in here. I did sell off of $90 in here. We're making $60 a day. I started with $900 in this thing. So just off of compounding, 2% a day, you know, I've earned, it says right here how much I've earned. $2,000. It's a little off. It should be about $2,300. Plus I've taken stuff out. If I haven't taken stuff out, I'd be at $3,500 right now. Not that I've taken out $300, but I've taken out probably $150 to $200. That would have probably made $100 in compounding and off a price. So I would probably be at $3,500, but that's okay. Sometimes you got to take a little bit of profit. So yeah, those are basically what I'm at on those and what I'm doing for drip. Now let's take a look at my favorite, what you call it, DeFi platform. Let's take a look at it. So let's refresh this page. We're on the AVAX network. $16. It was at $16. It was at 16.38. Now it's a little under 16. It's going back up though. This is crazy. I projected this to go to $10 by Monday. Just saying that on camera. I easily thought it would go to $10 like literally the next day, but I didn't want to say that on camera to not raise any expectations. I am going to say this is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes. Whatever you see on this video, please do more research about it. And yeah, so where do I see this price going? Again, I see it at $20 tomorrow, no pronto. I mean, maybe we hit $30 by Monday or Tuesday. We could hit potentially $20 by tomorrow or even later tonight. I think tomorrow, and then we could see it dip back down to 10 or 15 or something. I don't know. I just know this is going to $30 by next week. That's what I think, at least. As you can see here, we'll put in, because I don't have any. I started with 226 at $4. I could have sold that for 45 AVAX right now. 45 AVAX I could have sold that for. So let's do the math here. That's $3,200 if I just would have kept that AVAX in my wallet. And yeah, so that's basically where the price is at. It's doing really well. We'll go into the tap. As I said in the beginning of the video, basically I'm doing an airdrop tomorrow on Sunday. It's going to probably be later in Sunday so I can generate more rewards. So join the Telegram. It will be in the link down in the description down below. Even if you're not going to join the team, it's good to join there anyways. I update or notify you guys when I post new videos and other opportunities that come out. So yeah, just join it either way if you're going to join or not. But if you do want to join, for example, if you do want to join, there will be a contract or like an address in the link description down below. So all you do is copy it like I'm showing on the screen. You copy it. It'll be in the description down below this video. You just copy it, and then you go into here, right? And then you switch tabs. You go into splashes. You go what did I just say? You go into splasive. Oh my goodness. You put in here. You just press update, and yeah, you just confirm the transaction. You're part of the team. You just gotta put minimum 1 splash in, and you'll be good to go for the team. So I'm doing an airdrop tomorrow. As you can see, I have 2.38 splash in here, plus 2.2 in here, which is about 4.5. Tomorrow I should be getting a good amount, so probably a 6 or 7, probably a 7 splash airdrop. So 7 splash divided by how many members I have, because everybody's getting some. 7 splash times, let's just make the, well, if we're making the assumption of the price now, that's $112 airdrop. If we're making the assumption of, say, $20 price, that's like 140 divided by, you know, how many people are in here. So everybody's getting some. We'll do airdrops. At minimum, we'll do airdrops every Sunday. Splash Sunday. So, you know, we got the double S's in there. You know, we're going in here fancy. But yeah, everybody's getting more splash and whatnot. And yeah, so that's basically what's going on right now. Splash doing amazing. Again, I put $900 in here. $900 in here. So yeah, we're making 2% a day, and we're doing good. We're living it right now. We're kicking it up. We're making 2% a day off our deposits. This price is gonna be crazy. I mean, this could definitely hit a $30, $40, $50 price in a month. I mean, it didn't come from me, but you know what I'm saying. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Join the team if you want. Airdrop tomorrow. I'll let everybody know, like, probably a couple hours in advance when I'm doing the airdrop. So it'll just, when I do the airdrop, it will split it up, and then it'll just go into deposits. But I hope you all enjoyed the video. See y'all later. Peace out.